particular installer. Our connections up the back end here, because the USB-C is a reversible standard. If you don't do that, you will not have a reversible USB-C connector, and then people will be very confused. This cookieless storm. Most CAD softwares have nowadays is the ability to output a step file or some other 3D modeling file format. What I've done with that is I've used that to project a set of holes onto the back, which then I've created these, and I'm going to You absolutely told me about that already. I haven't done anything with that yet. Let me take a quick look here. I think $200 can... yeah, pretty much. OBS just refused. You are definitely not innocent. Not innocent in the least. Okay. That installer should be done. Okay. Now I'm supposed to be able to go to... Not terribly far off, though. Carrot is the top and the... uses to be tamed. So the big thing I'm trying to figure out, is... Did I put QMK to the bottom here is... Yeah, that's why we, that prongs off of the board. Which I think is probably going to be there. That's probably about as far forward as that's going to get. And now we need to... Here, you can actually see that we have both a flat pad and a hole. The flat pad is for surface mount soldering key switch sockets. The hole is for direct soldering key switches, if you so chose. I do have a cool mom. Yeah, they are currently zipping around in their RV right now. So we're working our way through QMK. So. So, I'm just gonna grab a file real quick. While I'm waiting for that, I'm just gonna quickly download a file for One moment, please. Perfect, but it's what we've got kind of thing, and that is the facts. It's like, yeah, okay, it's not perfect, but it is made by volunteers. Great, that's also fine. The fact that it's made by volunteers does not change the fact that it could use improvement, you know? I don't remember which one we went with. So I'm gonna have to go find it real quick. And the annual license, which is the affordable option, is like $2,000 per seat per year. And that's basic, just straight normal modeling. Nothing else outside of that, which is just unreasonably expensive. So I've been looking around. There's plenty of softwares out there. This is basically where we left off last time. Since then, I haven't touched KiCad, I haven't looked at the PCB. I have, however... That one? There it is. I have, however, started... That's why, if you look... Everything absolutely ridiculous. There is now a train rolling through the station, like absolute insanity. The big thing I don't know about key switch sockets is, do I need to put an extra support thing under here? What I might do is use the cover and bolt in through the bottom. I don't know yet. Doing all the cool person things. It'll likely be some combination of using these holes to pass up through into the lid. I'm not certain yet. We will see. Maybe it'll be a case of using this hole for just holding the PCB down and then the other four for holding the whole package together. There we go. Now if I look at the 3D view, I should... Why did my 3D view break? There was a USB port on that guy. Oh, because I didn't update it at the global level, did I? I updated it at... You like it as a nightlight. Yes, so this is kind of where we're at. We've got some pieces. We'll probably put some heat inserts there. Thank you so much for the gift subs. Really appreciate that. Yeah, Mom, if you buy stuff from the mobile app, you pay a bunch of extra money for literally no reason. Absolutely no reason whatsoever. Keyboard people do. Because that is not me. Lurk for the foods. Always lurk for the foods. So, mostly just waiting for their headphones. Always worth looking to see if somebody else has done the work for you. I have not, Carrot. I have not linked the store to my account in ages. I'm mostly streaming for myself here. Rain. Let me quickly flip windows here.